Here is the script. Essential business skills every entrepreneur needs. Communication. Are you ready to boost your business's chances of success? In this video, we'll cover the essential business skills every entrepreneur needs. Let's start with the basics. Clear communication. Good communication is key to building strong relationships with customers, employees, and partners. When we talk about communication, we mean being able to express ourselves clearly and effectively. This includes writing, speaking, and listening skills. Think about it. If you can't explain your idea to someone, how will they support you? Time management. Next up is time management. As an entrepreneur, you'll wear many hats: marketing, sales, finance, and more. To keep track of it all, you need to be able to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and focus on what's truly important. Here's a simple trick. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks into urgent vs important. This will help you focus on what really needs attention. Try it out. Write down all your tasks and then group them into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. Financial literacy. Let's talk about money, the lifeblood of any business. As an entrepreneur, you need to understand basic financial concepts like budgeting, forecasting, and cash flow. Don't worry, you don't need to be an accountant, but you do need to know how to read financial statements and make informed decisions. Think of it like running a household. You need to keep track of income and expenses and make sure you have enough money for the essentials. For a business, it's the same. You need to manage your cash flow to avoid running out of money. Problem solving. What happens when things go wrong? As an entrepreneur, you'll face challenges and setbacks. That's where problem solving comes in, the ability to think critically and come up with creative solutions. Here's a simple framework. Identify the problem, gather information, brainstorm solutions, choose the best option and implement it. And remember, it's okay to ask for help, whether it's a mentor, a colleague, or a professional. Adaptability. Entrepreneurship is all about adapting to change. Markets shift, technologies evolve, and customer needs change. To stay ahead, you need to be flexible and open to new ideas. Think of it like navigating a changing landscape. You need to stay alert and adjust your route accordingly. And that means being willing to pivot when something isn't working. Leadership. As your business grows, you'll need to develop leadership skills. This means being able to inspire and motivate your team, make tough decisions, and delegate tasks effectively. Here's a simple test. Can you give clear instructions, delegate tasks, and trust your team to get the job done? If not, don't worry, it's a skill you can develop. Emotional intelligence. Finally, let's talk about emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as those of others. This is crucial for building strong relationships and making informed decisions. Think of it like being a good listener. You need to be able to pick up on cues, empathize with others, and respond in a way that builds trust. Continuous learning. Last but not least, continuous learning is essential for any entrepreneur. As your business grows, you'll need to stay up to date with industry trends, best practices, and new technologies. Here's a simple tip. Set aside time each week to learn something new, whether it's reading a book, attending a workshop, or watching a video like this one. Recap. In this video, we covered the essential business skills every entrepreneur needs: communication, time management, financial literacy, problem solving, adaptability, leadership, emotional intelligence, and continuous learning. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Happy learning!